The world of fitness is ever evolving, and 2025 is no exception. From cutting-edge technologies to time-tested practices with a modern twist, people everywhere are embracing fitness routines that transform their lives. Today, we're counting down the top 10 most popular fitness routines of 2025 that are reshaping how we think about health, strength, and well-being. Number 10. Functional strength training. Functional strength training is all about building strength and flexibility for everyday movements. Unlike traditional gym exercises focused on isolated muscles, functional training incorporates compound movements that mimic real-life activities. Think lunges, squats, and kettlebell swings. Fitness enthusiasts love this routine for its practicality and its ability to prevent injuries while improving mobility and balance. With new wearable tech to track joint movements and online platforms offering customizable programs, functional strength training has cemented its place as a favorite in 2025. Whether you're a busy professional, an athlete, or just someone looking to improve day-to-day functionality, this routine offers a practical and efficient way to enhance your overall fitness and quality of life. Number 9. Hybrid yoga. Yoga has always been a staple in fitness, but in 2025, hybrid yoga takes it to a new level. Combining traditional yoga practices with elements from Pilates, dance, and even martial arts, hybrid yoga offers an engaging and diverse workout. Classes often include resistance bands, weights, or even VR setups for immersive experiences. This modern spin on yoga not only enhances flexibility and mindfulness, but also adds a strength-building component that appeals to a wide range of fitness enthusiasts. The inclusion of innovative tools and practices ensures that participants get a full-body workout while maintaining the meditative essence of yoga. It's a perfect choice for those seeking a holistic approach to physical and mental well-being. Number 8. Biohacking workouts. Biohacking isn't just for tech enthusiasts anymore, it's a fitness phenomenon. People are using wearable devices and apps to monitor every aspect of their physical performance, from heart rate variability to muscle recovery times. Biohacking workouts focus on optimizing efficiency, with routines designed to achieve maximum results in minimal time. High-intensity interval training HIIT, micro-workouts, and personalized AI-generated plans have made this an accessible and popular option for those seeking fast, science-backed results. By leveraging data-driven insights, biohacking empowers individuals to understand their bodies better and customize their fitness journeys. This routine appeals to those who value precision and want to see measurable progress in their fitness goals. Number 7. Aqua Fitness 2.0. Water-based workouts have made a big splash this year with the rise of Aqua Fitness 2.0. These routines incorporate resistance bands, floating weights, and underwater treadmills to create a low-impact yet highly effective workout. Perfect for all ages and fitness levels, Aqua Fitness 2.0 combines cardio, strength, and rehabilitation exercises in one refreshing session. Whether it's an aquatic spin class or a synchronized resistance circuit, people are flocking to the pool to stay fit. The buoyancy of water reduces stress on joints, making it ideal for those recovering from injuries or seeking a gentler yet challenging fitness experience. This versatile routine blends fun with function, making it a hit across demographics. Number 6. Virtual reality VR fitness. The integration of virtual reality into fitness routines has skyrocketed in 2025. VR fitness offers immersive environments where users can box, climb mountains, or dance to their favorite tunes without leaving their homes. Platforms like Fitverse and VR Gym provide multiplayer modes, turning workouts into a social experience. The gamified nature of VR fitness keeps users motivated, while its adaptability ensures that it's suitable for everyone from beginners to advanced athletes. This is fitness like you've never seen it before. The ability to explore new worlds while working out adds an element of excitement that transforms exercise from a chore into an adventure. It's perfect for tech-savvy individuals looking for an engaging way to stay active. Number 5. Group Boot Camp Revival. These high-energy sessions combine camaraderie with intense physical challenges. From obstacle courses to team-based relay races, boot camps offer a fun and competitive atmosphere. Many programs now include wearable trackers that display real-time stats on screens, encouraging participants to push their limits. The social aspect, paired with a variety of challenges, makes group boot camps a dynamic choice for fitness enthusiasts in 2025. This routine is perfect for those who thrive in a team environment and enjoy the motivation of working out alongside others. The structured yet varied nature of boot camps ensures that participants stay engaged and achieve their fitness goals together. Number 4. Animal Flow workouts. Animal Flow has captivated fitness lovers by connecting them with primal movements. Inspired by animal-like motions, this workout emphasizes mobility, strength, and coordination. Crawling, lunging, and flowing transitions form the foundation of this routine. It's not only a great way to build functional fitness, but also a fantastic way to improve mind-body awareness. In 2025, instructors are adding resistance tools and digital apps to enhance the experience, making Animal Flow a workout that's as engaging as it is effective. This routine is particularly appealing for those looking to reconnect with natural movement patterns and explore a fitness approach that combines creativity with physical challenge. Number 3. Mind-body cardio. Mind-body cardio routines have redefined what it means to get your heart rate up. These workouts combine rhythmic movements with mindfulness techniques, creating a holistic experience that strengthens both the body and mind. Think dance-inspired cardio combined with breathwork and meditation intervals. Studios and online platforms have embraced this trend, offering classes that incorporate everything from tribal beats to calming melodies. Mind-body cardio stands out as a top pick for those looking to reduce stress while staying fit. By blending physical activity with mental clarity, this routine helps participants achieve a sense of balance and rejuvenation that extends beyond the workout itself. Number 2. CrossFit evolution. CrossFit's evolution in 2025 has taken the fitness world by storm. While the high-intensity principles remain, safety and sustainability have become key focuses. New programming options include low-impact variations, emphasizing longevity and injury prevention. Advanced tracking systems provide detailed feedback on form and progress, while community competitions have grown more inclusive. The blend of strength, endurance, and skill building makes CrossFit Evolution a powerhouse routine that continues to attract a loyal following. This modernized approach ensures that participants of all fitness levels can enjoy the benefits of CrossFit without the risk of overexertion, making it a sustainable choice for long-term fitness success. Number 1. Outdoor adventure workouts. Leading the list in 2025 is the rise of outdoor adventure workouts. These fitness routines combine the thrill of exploration with physical activity. Activities like trail running, rock climbing, kayaking, and mountain biking have surged in popularity. Fitness enthusiasts are trading gym walls for breathtaking natural landscapes. Programs now integrate GPS tracking and augmented reality guides, turning every workout into an unforgettable adventure. The mix of physical challenge and mental rejuvenation makes outdoor adventure workouts the most sought-after fitness trend of the year. By connecting with nature, participants not only improve their physical health, but also experience a profound sense of well-being and accomplishment. Fitness in 2025 is all about innovation, inclusivity, and personalization. Whether you're diving into Aqua Fitness 2.0 or embracing outdoor adventure workouts, there's something for everyone in this exciting new era of health and wellness. Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the Vault of Epic Facts channel.